In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn anything into 3D miniature with Gemini AI Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a regular photo and transform it into a tiny diorama-style 3D render with a clean pink background and realistic depth. First, open your Gemini account in your browser or app. If you're new, quickly create an account and sign in. A quick tip: use a modern browser and make sure you're on a stable connection so image generation runs smoothly. Next, upload your image. Click the plus icon, locate your file on your device and select it. Choose a clear, well-lit image where the main subject is easy to see. High resolution helps the model understand edges, materials, and proportions better. Always make sure you have the right to use the image you upload. Now, click Tools, then select Create Image. This switches you into the image generation workspace, letting Gemini use your upload as reference for a brand new 3D style render. It's time to enter your prompts. You can copy this prompt from the description below and paste it into the text box exactly as written for consistent results. Here it is. Create a detailed isometric render of the main subject from the uploaded image, viewed from a 45-degree elevated angle showing complete three-dimensional volume and depth. If the subject is a building or structure, extrapolate the architectural depth with sidewalls, roof structure, interior spaces visible through windows, proper wall thickness, window depth, doorway recesses, and structural details. If the subject is a person, transform them into a detailed 3D figurine with realistic proportions, clothing textures, and dimensional features. If the subject is an object, render it with full volumetric form, material textures, and natural proportions. Include appropriate surrounding context. For buildings, add sidewalks and street elements. For people, add a small environmental base or platform. For objects, add a suitable contextual setting. Render as a clean miniature diorama with soft ambient lighting and subtle drop shadows cast naturally beneath all elements. Set the background to pink, maintaining all original details while creating believable three-dimensional volume and spatial depth that extends beyond the original flat photograph. Then wait patiently until it generates your prompts. You'll see a progress indicator as Gemini builds the scene. Give it a moment. Complex subjects can take a bit longer. That's it. Open your Gemini account, upload your image with the plus icon, click Tools, choose Create Image, paste the prompt, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. Enjoy your 3D miniature.